Hi everybody, it's me. I'm gonna try something right now, okay? Sweet. Meeka? Come here. Come here, Meeka. Come on, Meeka. Maybe Meeka will do a little trick for us. Meeka said pretty. Pretty, pretty girl. Oh, she's such a pretty girl. Meeka? Oh, she just burped. Oh, Meeka. Oh. Okay. Oh, the show must go on. Paw? Good girl. Good girl, me. Oh. Okay, one more, because heaven only knows what she might do on camera this time. Ready? Sit pretty. And she's a pretty, pretty waving, and a pretty, pretty waving. Come on, up. Meeka. Up. Good girl. God love you. Oh, dear. Oh, yes. Oh, I needed that. I needed that laugh today. Okie dokie. I think I better learn how to edit. I really do. I was feeling down and today for some unknown reason. I don't know why. And I thought, well, I'll just put Meeka on doing her little tricks, and she always makes me smile. So do all of you. Take care, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.